1.
Make or download something. UV and texture it if you wanna.
2.
Download the Pixified Tips eyelash template.
Find that in the description.
3.
In Sims 4 Studios, create 3D mesh. CAS. Pick an accessory. Export mesh.
4.
Open Blender file. Import your created eyelashes. Append the Pixified Tips eyelash template. Object, Studio Mesh file. Select the new Studio Mesh file. Select your new lashes. In Weight Paint, transfer weights. Delete the extra Studio Mesh and delete the duplicated rig. On the remaining Studio Mesh, delete vertices. Join your lash to it. Save! Re-import and customize it with your textures. Done! We could struggle for it, but why? Transfer weights is the way to go.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.